Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to travel among the stars? For most of human history, that was just a dream. But in the 20th century, we started turning that dream into a reality. Let's take a journey through the incredible history of space exploration. Our story begins in the aftermath of World War II. The technology behind the German V-2 rocket, originally a weapon of war, became the foundation for something much more hopeful: the exploration of space. Scientists on both sides of the Iron Curtain saw its potential, and this sparked a new kind of competition. The race was on. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union shocked the world by launching Sputnik 1, a small, metallic sphere that became the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. Its simple beeping signal was heard around the globe, a clear announcement that the space age had begun. The United States quickly responded, launching its own satellite, Explorer 1, just a few months later. Explorer 1 even made a major scientific discovery. It detected the Van Allen radiation belts surrounding our planet. But putting satellites in orbit was just the beginning. The next giant leap was to send a human being into the cosmos. Once again, the Soviet Union was first. On April 12, 1961, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin boarded the Vostok 1 capsule and became the first person to orbit the Earth. He saw our planet as no one had ever seen it before, a beautiful blue marble suspended in the blackness of space. His famous words, poetically, or "let's go," became the rallying cry for a generation of explorers. The US followed suit with the Mercury program, sending Alan Shepard on a suborbital flight and then John Glenn to become the first American to orbit the Earth. The space race was in full swing, capturing the imagination of millions. The ultimate prize in this race was the moon. In a bold 1961 speech, President John F. Kennedy declared that the United States would land a man on the moon and return him safely to the Earth before the end of the decade. This ambitious goal led to the creation of the Apollo program. It was a massive undertaking, full of triumphs and tragedies, pushing the limits of technology and human courage. Finally, on July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as the Apollo 11 lunar module, the Eagle, touched down on the moon's surface. Neil Armstrong stepped out, and with the immortal words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," humanity became an interplanetary species. The images of astronauts walking on the lunar surface are forever etched in our collective memory. After the Apollo era, our focus shifted closer to home, to low Earth orbit. The Space Shuttle program was born, creating a fleet of reusable spaceplanes that could carry astronauts and large payloads into space and back. For 3 decades, the shuttles were our workhorses in orbit. They deployed and serviced incredible instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope, which has given us breathtaking views of distant galaxies and completely changed our understanding of the universe. The shuttles also played a crucial role in building the most ambitious international project ever undertaken, the International Space Station, or ISS. Starting in the late 1990s, modules were launched and assembled piece by piece in orbit, a stunning feat of engineering and global cooperation. For over 20 years, the ISS has been continuously inhabited by astronauts from around the world. It's a floating laboratory, a home in space, and a powerful symbol of what we can achieve when we work together. From the first rockets to a permanent outpost in orbit, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Each mission, each discovery, has built upon the last, taking us further and expanding our horizons. The dream of exploring the stars is alive and well, and the next chapter in this incredible story is just beginning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through space history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.